Hey, Donnie Smith here with CollisionBlast.com. In this video, we got a fender that's damaged. The door had opened up into this fender and caused the edge to be damaged, and also on the top surface it caused that to push up and be high. So we're going to show you how to sharpen that edge up and push that high down. So I've already got the fender off the car. Now we was going to get another fender, but we couldn't find one, and so we're just going to be repairing this one. Now I'm getting a body hammer and a dolly. This is a wedge dolly or a comma dolly, and it works good for edges because it has that edge that can get behind that, and that's what we're really trying to concentrate on, is to sharpen that edge, is to push that edge out as we tap and hammer on this high area and kind of roll that damage out. And so you can see I'm hammering here. Now what I want to try to do most of the time whenever I'm roughing this out, I want to hammer off dolly where I'm not actually hammering on the dolly. And you can hear a difference. Whenever you hammer on dolly, you're going to hear that ping. And I want to try to eliminate that at this point. And later on during the repair process, I'll be doing some hammer on dolly and I'll show you that. Right now I'm just trying to roll that high out and kind of push it into the edge. Got another tool here that wasn't working as well as I thought it would, so I'm going to see if I can get this behind there to help sharpen that edge as I roll this high out. So I'm just continuing this process, working from one end to the other as I roll that damage out. And you want to check your progress often. I'll do some hammering and dolly work. And there's also a little bit of damage there on the bottom. But I want to do a little bit of work and kind of monitor my work and make sure it's doing the right thing. Now I'm going up to the upper part of the damage there. And also notice I'm not just hammering as hard as I can. You want to do a series of smaller strikes rather than trying to do it all in one or two strikes. It may take a little bit longer, but the finished product's going to come out a lot better, because if you just try to hammer, like you're trying to frame a house or something, you're going to end up damaging the metal more than you repair it. So try to get in the habit of doing a series of smaller hammer strikes. Okay, now what I have is a slapping file, and this is going to be a hammer on dolly technique. I've got the majority of the dent repaired, and now I'm using this slapping file to slap straight down on the dolly that's behind that, and that just helps smooth out any ripples and it's for the final straightening. You don't want to hammer on dolly too much, because if you do, that's going to stretch the metal, and then we're going to have to shrink it. So just in the final stages, we're going to use this method. And now I am locating just a few highs that I have, just to knock them down with the pick. This is my final detail work, just to try to level any small highs that I have. And as I monitor this, there might be some lows in there. I can get to the back side with the hammer and knock those out the other way. So just kind of trying to level it the best I can. Now I'm on the back side. There's a small low that I'm going to try to tap out. And also, when using the pick side of this hammer, again, don't strike too hard or you're going to damage the fender, or whatever panel that you're working on. Now what I have is a sanding block. As I mentioned, with these thinner metals, you don't really want to get a body file like we used to. Now I'm doing this to help locate the lows and highs to make sure that it is straight. And what this will do is it'll sand the paint surface. But if there's any lows, that the paint's going to stay in that area, and that'll help me identify that this is still a low area. Or if area sands to metal extremely fast, it'll help let me know that that area is high. So if you see any really shiny metal areas or any areas that have paint in them, some additional attention may be needed to straighten the panel. It may take just a little bit longer sanding, and I'm doing this, you can use 36 or 80 than it would a body file, but you're not shaving metal off. And that's something we don't want to do with these thinner metals. Using the sanding block method, it did help me locate some areas that need to do some additional straightening. So at this time I'm going to do the additional straightening that it needs. Now this is just minor imperfections, and we want to get this close to what it should be. Most body fillers recommend, I like to get it within 1/8 of an inch, where you don't have to use more than the 1/8 inch of body filler, but most manufacturers say 1/4. But I am getting this finished out to where really this is not going to take much body filler at all. It is pretty straight. And with these thinner metals, you want to get it really, good, but you don't want to try to get it perfect, because if you try to work this thin metal too much, it's going to become work hardened, become brittle. It could even break on you. So block sanding again, just to make sure that it's worked out well, or good enough to where I'm happy with it to put some body filler on it. And again, you want to check your progress often, and do that by using the flat of your hand. And again, I blocked it out, felt of it, and I found a little bit more damage, and so I'm going to work that out. And by doing this, you're going to get the metal straighter, and it's going to take a lot less time whenever you get to the body filler stages. But like I mentioned, don't try to overwork the metal, with these thin metals, because that can cause you more problems as well. So I'm hammering on dolly. I'm hammering on dolly here, and this is just for the final straightening. Again, you don't want to do that much, or you're going to stretch the metal. Okay, now when I think that it feels good, I'm going to block it out one more time to see where I'm at. And then once I have this blocked out and I'm happy with it, there's one last step that I want to do before I start applying body filler. Now that it feels good, I am going to get the fender, I'm going to take it off, and I'm going to put it on the car. I'm going to test fit it to make sure all the curves and contours lines up with the door, because the last thing we want to do is get that thing, put body filler on it, put it on the car, and realize that it doesn't fit properly. So I'm going to put it on the car, I'm going to line it up, and I'm going to have to take this tape off where I can see real good, make sure that it is lining up with the door, the way it should. So I'll go ahead and align it and see if it fits up. And it's a good thing I did that, because I mean the damage looks straight. You would not have known, but I put it on the car and realized the fender needs just a little bit more overall curve to it. So I'm just going to use my hands to bend it to give it that curve. Now I want to test fit it one more time, make sure it fits, and it did this time. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to apply the body filler. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Talk to you soon.